Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a speed deep clean of my kitchen today, and I would like to take you guys along with me, so if that's something you think you'll enjoy, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing here is wiping down all my cabinets, the inside, outside, and getting the handles really well.
I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah.
And I'm doing that for both my upper and my lower cabinets.
Nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once.
And then I'm going to go ahead and deep clean my sink. I'm just using a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of lemon essential oil. Just throwing it in my sink and then giving it a good scrub. And this is going to make it super shiny. And it's going to take out any like rust stains from cans or anything that I've set in my sink. And get rid of any just like water stains or stains that are in my sink, period.
I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bit of
Moving on from the sink, I'm moving to my blinds next, and I'm dusting them. I feel like blinds are one of those things that are often missed a lot. People don't think about dusting them, but they do collect a lot of dust, especially us with, as you can see, the many helpers I have here. They definitely collect a lot of hair and dust.
place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic.
And then after I dust my windows, I'm going to go ahead and open the blinds, and then I'm going to go ahead and actually clean the windows themselves.
It's toxic, babe.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low.
And then after I clean the windows, I'm going to go ahead and spray down the ledge, get the ledges really well. And then I'm going to go ahead and open the window as well and get the ledge there on the inside of the windowsill.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret.
And then I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process on this other window that's in here as well.
Wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we look back at this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I
now that I'm done with my windows, I'm moving on to my stove, and I just got these stainless steel wipes that I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the stove down with, and then I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out with a towel, and that's gonna make it shiny, get rid of any fingerprints or stains that are on my stove.
Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and move over to my refrigerator and do the same process where I just go ahead and wipe it down, buff it out really well, get rid of any fingerprints, stains, anything like that that might be in my refrigerator.
Wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night.
And then another thing I'm gonna go ahead and do that I feel like also gets missed quite a bit is wipe down my trash cans, give them a good cleaning. And then normally I would do the inside of my trash can too, but my trash bag wasn't quite full enough for me to take out yet today. So when the trash is full and I take it out, I'll go ahead and clean the inside of my trash can as well. And then this is also my recycling can that for some reason seems to get a little bit dirtier than even my trash can does. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good cleaning as well.
Right next to me, your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew.
And then I'm also gonna go ahead and wipe down my light switch, get any germs that might be on that. And then I'm gonna move on to our radiator. We do live in a pretty old house that doesn't have central heating and air. We use radiators, and they do collect a lot of dust on the inside of them, and a lot of like cat hair, especially for us because we have 6 cats. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give them a good dusting out.
You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space.
Now that's it for the clean with me part of this. I decided to go ahead and add in our workout that we did too. It was the CrossFit 17.1 games workout where it's burpees and snatches. And this workout is a killer workout.
Took away my loneliness, so I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness, so I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. Never felt more like a winner than I do tonight. Never more certain the path laid before me was right. You over there with the curls in your hair, couldn't find more of a reason to stare. Never seen eyes look into me as you do tonight.
chasing the wealth of the world, but it fades when you're near. So tell me where we go from here. Tell me where we go from here. If you'd hate the ocean, then I'd turn the water to land. If you'd miss the sunlight, I'd fill up the cups in my hands. And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, then chasing the wealth of the world, but it fades with you near. Tell me where we go from here. Oh, where do we go? The lights burn out low, the spring turns to snow. Where do we?
And then of course we gotta throw in some really cute cat action here at the end, getting love-ins, and then of course getting an up close and personal shot with the kitty cats. But that's it for this video today, you guys. I hope that this video gave you guys lots of motivation for both cleaning, deep cleaning, and for maybe even working out today. And I guys hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you.